We now have Betway Premiership as a sponsor of the league.
Kuphelile ukuqagula ukuthi ngobani abaxhasi abasha beligi yebhola lakuleli njengoba inkampani ye-DStv ihoxile ekubeni abaxhasi beligi. Uhlalo we-PSL uDkt Ivan Khoza wethule le nkampani ngokuthi bavumelene ngesamba sika 900 million wamarandi.
It's a 3-year sponsorship. Run about 900 million.
Isikhulu esiphezulu sakwa-Betway uMichael Lawrence sithi lolu xhaso olukhulu ebholeni lakuleli abeza nalo.
This partnership, I must remind you, is the single biggest investment in South African sport. Okay, let that sink in. Biggest single investment in South African sport.
Ubungeke usale umbuzo ukuthi iPSL isixhaswe inkampani yokubheja kanjani ekubeni yanqabela amaqembu afana neCape Town City neMoroka Swallows uxhaswa izinkampani ezifana nalena. Ukhoza eziphendulela uthi azilandelanga imigudu efanele.
Football is an industry of rules. If you follow the rules and you comply with the rules, which we all agreed, the sport PESA was a very unfortunate experience because there was a moratorium of everybody.
Iligi yakuleli kulindeleke iqale mhla zi-3 kuNcwaba isibizwa ngeBetway Premiership.